Okay guys, today I will be reviewing my keyboard that I bought almost a year ago, Casio CTK2550. So I have kept this keyboard with me for 4 years. Okay, so I've been playing this, and the price is around, if we go online right now, the price is around 8,500. Okay, Casio CTK2550. So today I will be reviewing it, and this is the adapter, and this is the power button. Okay, and see, check it right over here. Once I push the button, power button, it will switch on. Okay, so by default the piano is, the tone is grand string, stage grand piano. Okay, so here is the tone. So if I press on the tone, see, stage piano. Now I will if I increase it, it will be on grand piano. And if I keep increasing it, let's say I stop at 0007, this is string piano. So the tone is different. Okay, like that. So it's like that. Bear with me guys, because I did not have a camera holder for myself, so I did it by myself, so the view might not be very perfect. Okay, so here is see, actually you can see it over here. See, 400 tones, 1 to 14 is piano, and it goes like that. 15 to 28 is electric piano. Okay, 43 to 64 is organ, and if we go here for 57, no, that's 057, this is church. The sound will be different. You see, if I just go down, this is church number 1. It has different sound, and here is, as you can see over here, if we go between 395 and 400, then it will be on drum set. So you can just press it over here, 396. Okay, that will be drum set. Okay guys, that will be a review, and after this I will for reviewing this keyboard for you guys to know, and to view, for you guys to know deep how it sounds when actual when singing with this keyboard in actual. Okay, so I will be right after this I will be singing with along with this keyboard, and so that you guys can know whether you want to buy it or not. Okay, but for me this keyboard is very good actually, and especially for beginner, I really recommend this keyboard, Casio CTK2550. I seriously recommend you guys to buy it, because it is durable, and even the sound is quite good. Okay guys, I will be singing a songs from a Christian hymn, praise and worship songs. I will be singing about 7 or 8, or in between 8 and 10. So I will be singing a few songs, and I want you to check out what do you think about the keyboard sounds. I will be playing in different tones. Sometimes I will be playing in grand piano, sometimes I will be playing in piano with strings, and it will be, the list goes on. Okay, first of all, let's sing a song. What a friend we have in Jesus, all our sins and graves to bear. What a privilege to carry everything to God in prayer. Oh, what peace we often forfeit. verse, okay? Have we trials and temptation? Is there trouble anywhere? We should never be discouraged. And we find can we find our friends so faithful? Oh, will all our sorrows end? Jesus knows our every weakness. Take it to the Lord in prayer. Okay, guys, I know that I missed some lyrics, some words. You know, I don't by heart the lyrics, so forgive me for that. Okay. There, I was playing that songs in a grand piano. Now I will be using, I will transpose it, I will be using piano with strings for you guys to check out, okay? Now I will be singing Send the Light. There's our calls come ringing over restless wave. Send the light, send the light, send the light, the blessed gospel light, let it shine forevermore. Let me change to grand piano again, or stage piano. Now let me go to the second verse. Let me go to the second verse. We have heard the Macedonian call today. Send the light, send the light, and a golden offering at the cross we lay. Send the light, send the light, send the light, the blessed gospel light, let it shine forevermore. Okay, that's it. Now let me go to the third songs. It will be Light of the World. Now I will play in Brit piano or modern piano. I think this is dance piano and this is melodic piano. I think it's better to play in bright piano. Light of the world, you step down into darkness. Open my eyes, let me see beauty that made this heart adore you. Hope of a life spent with you. Here I am to worship, here I am to bow down, here I am to say that you're my God. You're all together lovely, you're all together worthy, all together wonderful to me. Okay, now let me go to the second verse. Before that, I will change the tone again. Now I will be playing in modern piano. No, let me play in dance piano. King of all days, oh so highly exalted, glorious in heaven above. Humbly you came to the earth you created, all for love's sakes became poor. And Here I am to worship, here I am to bow down, here I am to say that you're my God. You're altogether lovely, you're altogether worthy, altogether wonderful to me. I never know how much it takes. Okay, let's stop it there. Now let's go to the next song. The song is called In the Sweet By and By. I think I will play this in melodic piano. Okay. Now I think I will change the chords. All the previous songs was played by C chord. Now I'll change it to D. I think this will be a perfect. There's a land that is fairer than day, and by faith we can see it afar. For the Father away over the way to prepare us a dwelling place there. In the sweet by and by, we shall meet on that beautiful shore. In the sweet by and by, we shall meet on that beautiful shore. Now let's go to the second verse. We shall sing on that beautiful song, the melodious songs of the blessed, and our spirits shall sorrow no more. Not a sign of the blessed forever. In the sweet by and by, we shall meet on that beautiful song. In the sweet by and by, we shall meet on that beautiful song. Okay guys, if my voice is not very good for you, I'm sorry, because I'm not a singer. I'm just making a review on the keyboard so that you can know the actual sound when playing a songs. Okay, that was played on melodic piano. Now let me check drum set for you guys. That's my skills on drum set. Okay, let's stop it over there. Let's go to the next song. Okay, now I think I'll play this on string. No. Let's not play it on string. Let's play it on grand piano. When the trumpet of the Lord shall, when the trumpet of the Lord shall sound, and time shall be no more, and the morning breaks eternal, bright and fair. When the sailors shall gather over on the other shore, and the roll is called up yonder, I'll be there. When the roll is called up yonder, 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 I'll be there. Let us lay before the Master from dawn till the setting sun. Let us talk of all His wondrous love and care. Then when all of life is over and our work on earth is done, and the roll is called up yonder, I'll be there. When the roll is called up yonder, when the roll is called up yonder, when the roll What do you think of that, guys? Now let me sing. I have decided to follow Jesus, and after that I will be singing a songs of my mother tongue, okay? I have decided to follow Jesus. I have decided to follow Jesus. I have decided to follow Jesus. No turning back, no turning back. The cross before me, the world behind me. The cross before me, the world behind me. The cross before me, the world behind me. No turning back, no turning back. You know what, guys? As a kids, we used to sing all those songs that I previously sing, and even this one, I have decided to follow Jesus. We used to sing this in the we used to sing these songs while I was in KG1, KG2, kindergarten, KG1, KG2. Okay, and while I was in class 1, class 2, even that time, I used to be in hostels in an institution called Jehovah Jireh English School Long Klai. So we used to sing every evening when we have devotions, and when I sing them back again, I really miss those days. And I heard it from my mother that our principal of that institution, of that school, passed a few days back, and when I heard it, and when I sing these songs, it really touches me. It really, I miss him, you know. He's the one making us sing these songs every devotion. I really miss him. Okay, let me continue. But guys, this is a review of this keyboard, Casio CTK2550. How does it sound on the actual when singing with this keyboard? Okay, now let me sing a song from my mother tongue. Now this is string piano. Thiam tok te ka ngày tua hiền cất lần tu min mang ngày na le cất tan crossa in pek chân chin amoin ang ngày nom vang lo ven soi non le ro min fil le ro isung tan tuan khang Calvary ka gam na chan chin angai nom ka ti bang thei lo ve. Let's change the tone. Engaran thlen cross a chan le hau sung ma se ki ma va are thei ta chan ching e ka kaning lo min fil non fo ong soi non le ro min fil le ro I su ta na tuan na khang Calvary ka dam na chan chin ong ai nong ka ti bang thei lo va. Let's go to the next song, okay? This is also from my mother tongue. Suol thim thuk to ko pilaka bulain bay dong le chawin karum trina khat tung thei si lo chắc na reng nei lo xưa mong ngày na in min giống một ta cây yang mi xóa tu chân xóa tu ngài ta xóa na tên phải na khổ lâu na ngài đồng thấy thiên yêu ra đi si bật thiên thiên hình vô lô đất ngài tu con rơi mong về mong ai hợp si địch ngã ru re thật nó tốt ngài lâu gặp thiên yêu ra đi si cây yang mi xóa tu chân xóa tu ngài ta xóa na tên phải na khổ na ngài đồng thế gặp thiên yêu ra đi si đồng lai khinh nun lòng không có dấu lại bộ chiết lệ châu trang tế ôm mà xe giặc lâu tế triền anh kim tí thê lal pa chuan cha tuan in bin khoai đón phía cây yang mi xóa tu chân xóa tu ngài ta xóa na tên phải na khổ na ngài đồng thấy các thiên yêu ra đi si. Okay guys, that's all the songs that I can play for reviewing these songs, and thank you so much for watching, and please, if you like it, do consider subscribing and please like the video. Thank you so much.